Want to earn money simply by posting on social media? You're in the right place. I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. Today I'm going to tell you about all the social media bonus programs available in 2026. These are programs where social media companies pay content creators simply for posting content. You don't need to sell anything or promote any products. You can get paid just to be yourself and share information. First up is the Facebook Content Monetization Program. This is the social media bonus program that seems to be paying the most right now in 2026. I have 2 Facebook pages in this program. The program is invite only, but you can express interest and there's a clear path to get accepted. I'll link to a video with all the details on how to get accepted, and once you're in, the program pays big. The Content Monetization Program pays you simply to post content. Every eligible piece of content you post can make money. How much you get paid depends on how well the content performs. So the more you post, the more you can potentially make. From what I've seen, top earners typically post frequently, up to 24 times per day or once per hour. All posts can be paid, so including reels, text post, and image post, all of those are eligible for content monetization. The Content Monetization Program also frequently offers bonuses. Facebook changes the bonus criteria all the time, but examples of some of my bonuses recently are earning an extra $480 to get 2 posts that reach 1.5 million views, or earning a $1,200 bonus simply by matching a specific earning goal. So this is my bigger page, so these bonuses are bigger. On my smaller page, I have smaller goals. So for example, on that page, I recently earned a $100 bonus for having 2 reels reach 98,000 people apiece. So the bonuses will change based on how large your page is and how much reach it has. So how much can you actually earn with Facebook content monetization? In January of 2026, I made $4,987 from these 2 pages in the program. And I'm not even posting that 24 times a day that I'm recommending to you. Just because of time constraints, I actually posted about 16 times per day on each of these pages. So there's more money, more potential there. So my average RPM is about 43 cents, so I get about 43 cents for every qualified 1,000 views. If you want tips and tricks on how to get into the Facebook Content Monetization Program and how to maximize your earnings once you're there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Facebook is one of the easiest ways to make money online right now, so I highly recommend learning more about it. But there are more social media bonus programs we're going to talk about today, and next up is Instagram. Instagram has tried and then ended multiple creator bonus programs over the past few years. Their latest creator bonus programs are seasonal bonuses and breakthrough bonuses. The seasonal bonus program is a simple bonus program paying creators based on views their content gets. Except it's seasonal, so it only lasts for a limited time, up to a few months. The program is invite only and is only available in the United States and South Korea. Creators who are invited into the seasonal bonus program are invited either for static posts or for reels. The second and maybe more interesting bonus right now is the breakthrough bonus for creators who want to bring their audience to Instagram and Facebook. You can apply for the breakthrough bonus, which pays up to $5,000 if you meet the requirements. The requirements are be in the US, be 18 years of age or older, and then the main requirement is to have an existing presence on another social media app that you can provide a link to in the application. And then you have to have or create an Instagram professional account and a Facebook page. IG specifically states that applications from creators with at least 20,000 followers on another social media app will be prioritized for review. So if you have a large social media presence on another video platform, but don't do much on Instagram, this breakthrough bonus could be an opportunity to build a new income stream. And this is important. The breakthrough bonus is a meta program that connects Instagram and Facebook. If you're accepted into the Breakthrough Bonus Program, you'll get an invitation to set up Facebook content monetization as well, which we have already discussed can be very profitable. Once your onboarding is complete, creators qualify for that up to $5,000 in extra breakthrough bonuses during the first 90 days. The next social media bonus program we're going to talk about is TikTok's Creator Rewards Program. This TikTok program pays creators based on the number of qualified views on their videos. I have been in this program for about a year. but as you can see, I'm not making very much. The reason I haven't earned more is that TikTok's monetization program only pays out on videos that are 1 minute or longer, and I don't make many of those videos for this account. You can see here there's a standard reward and an additional reward. The additional reward is paid for posting videos that TikTok deems as high quality based on stronger watch times and retention rates. Looking at all my videos, my RPM for each video ranges from about 10 cents up to about $2 and averages at about $1. So I could make about $100 for every 100,000 views. So while the RPM is higher than Facebook, it's still harder to earn because you need to be creating high quality videos that are over 1 minute long. While on Facebook, I can earn tons of money posting short video clips and silly AI generated memes. They are also stricter on what counts as a qualified view, so not every quick view is rewarded. To qualify for the TikTok Creator Rewards program, you'll need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days, and your account needs to be a creator account, not a business account. Next up is X, or the platform I still call Twitter. X has a creator revenue share program which pays creators to post high quality content, and the payouts are based on how the content performs. To be eligible for X's revenue share, you need to have an active premium, premium business, or premium organization subscription, have at least 5 million organic impressions within the last 3 months, have at least 500 verified followers, be in one of the supported countries, which they change often so you can check, and be compliant with the X user agreement. Now you can check your eligibility in your account's monetization settings. RPMs on X vary a lot depending on how big and engaging your audience is. Some creators report really low RPMs, under 10 cents, while others with huge conversion-driven posts earn more. But if you already have an engaged audience on X, it's worth activating monetization so you earn what you can. Next, we have the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube doesn't really call it a bonus program, but the YouTube Partner Program does pay you just for posting videos. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program in 2026, you generally need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the past 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million valid Shorts views in the past 90 days. It's not invite only, anyone can apply once you meet the criteria. And once you're accepted, you earn money from ads that play on your videos. Average RPM on YouTube varies a lot depending on your niche. In business and finance, RPMs can be $10 to $25 or even more, while in general lifestyle niches, RPMs might be more in the $3 to $12 range, and Shorts RPMs are typically much lower, often under $1. I have a travel account on YouTube with an RPM of just under $6. Next up is Snapchat. Spotlight is Snapchat's short-form vertical video feed. Think Snapchat's version of Reels or a TikTok-style discovery feed. You post vertical videos and Snapchat pushes them out to people who don't follow you. Snapchat's current bonus is their monetization program. This is an invitation-based program, and to qualify, accounts generally need 50,000 followers, 15,000 hours of view time in the last 28 days, with at least 3,000 of those hours coming from Spotlight. And you typically need to be a Snap star or in that approved creator tier. And for Spotlight content to earn ad revenue, Snapchat wants that videos that are at least 1 minute long. So if you're already making 1 minute video for TikTok, it's great to repurpose those videos and post them into Snapchat Spotlight as well. Reports of how much creators are making on Snapchat varies widely, but there are creators who make thousands of dollars per month in this program. If you want to make money in any of these programs, hit subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest news and requirements.